Okay guys, another song written by Manong D TV when I was high school. It was 1999 or 2000, year 2000. This song is entitled from the original titled Wait for Me. Wait for Me. Yung kanta ko dito guys, ginawa ko para sa nilapat ko dito sa Wait for Me is Marimar. Okay? Just listen guys, if you like to listen to song, just watch this video and listen up. Okay. Ang gugma daw murag makabuang buwagan, masakitan ang imong dugan. Pagkawagi ayo kung ikaw buwagan, mas maayo pa na magpakamatay na lang. Bahala ka, Marimar, may pagmagpuyo na lang, di pa kunin mo matintal. Kung naibog ka, sige, bahala ka. Abini mo, og seryoso ko sa imuhan. Pagkawagi klaro, nimong bayana ka. Bahalag magmilagro ka, mahimo kang sibalin. Bahala ka, Marimar, may pagmagpuyo na lang, di pa kunin mo matintal. Kung naibog ka, sige, bahala ka. Abini mo, og seryoso jud ko sa imo. Pagkawagi klaro, nimong bayar ka. Bahalag magmilagro ka, mahimo kang sibalin. Bahala ka, Marimar, may pagmagpuyo na lang, di pa kunin mo matintal. Kung naibog ka, sige, bahala ka. Bahala ka, Marimar, may pagmagpuyo na lang, di pa kunin mo matintal. Kung naibog ka, sige, bahala ka. Kung naibog ka, sige, bahala ka. Kung naibog ka, sige, bahala ka. Okay guys, that song is a pattern to the song Wait for Me by J Brothers. Thank you J Brothers for efforting that kind of song and lyrics, and sorry for the bad words I made for your lyrics or yours. And then, maraming salamat sa mga nanonood sa Manong D TV. Okay guys, yung kanta na yun guys ay ginawa ko yun guys kasi nung bata pa ako guys, way back 99, I was third year then, third year or fourth year high school, and that is my hobby to write songs, write lyrics to the song. I'm fan of that kind of fond of that kind of habit. So that's why that song was created by me through the. I'll tell you that when I was young, when I was maybe I was say 14 years 15 years old that time, and I wrote that song. But until now I can still remember the lyrics of the song and the tone, because it is very easy to remember the tone, because it was patterned in the song of Joe Brothers, uh, Wait for Me. And the girl that I have mentioned in my song, the lyrics of my song is Marimar. That Marimar, it's a beautiful girl from Tubog, PB Corpus, wherein I was a residence, when I was resided. Uh, Marimar is it's a migrant to Barangay Tubog, but is originally coming from was a original resident of uh, Labigan, PB Corpus, and because of relatives, her real relatives in Tubog, that's why she was she transferred to Barangay Tubog, and this is Marimar. I think he's now there in Tubog. I don't know if where she live. He's beautiful, and so many uh, youngs or men in our barangay courting her, and also this Balin is I think this is a girl residing in Barangay Kasabangan, and she's familiar. I can't explain what is her character, or what is I have no more information about her, enough information about her, but she is familiar to us of everybody there in Tubog, Baby Corpus. That's why I relate that song to her name from Marimar Ambi yata yun. From Marimar to Balin. Then when I say the song, I say in the song that I said in the song, uh, bahalag magrebolto ka, mahimo kang si Balin. Ayan. Si Marimar ay naisip ko doon sa kanta ko, si Marimar, hindi ako magkagusto sa kanya. Kay Marimar, kahit mag-transform pa siya into Balin. Thank you very much for these two girls that I have mentioned in my song. Uh, Sorry for uh, what I did. I have included you in my song, but just it is just a song. Thank you, and you people, hope you support my YouTube channel, so that I will be encouraged to write more songs, even though this is personal, or by I put bad lyrics to the song, but this is just a song. This is only uh, idea, but it's a good idea, but the lyrics is bad. Okay, thank you very much, and I have more songs to remember to sing here in my channel. I will see. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you very much, Manong DTV. Ma-subscribe kayo. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.